fairy tale house where things go wrong. There's a ghost of a soul who's still at home. She sits in the attic, too scared to leave, alone with her memories, alone with her grief. She sits up straight as she hears her name. Speak to me, let me know the things you learned from long ago. Speak to me, let me feel who you were to help you heal, who you were to help you heal. In the fairy tale house, you and I both are very much here, but still alone. You sit in the attic, still playing